Today, not quite the maiden flight. The maiden flight was on Wednesday. Unfortunately, due to camera operator error, I didn't get any footage of it, but Steve flew it and trimmed it out. I'm going to attempt it myself today. Let's see how we get on. What could possibly go wrong?
I don't know.
Okay?
Yeah, okay. Nice, well done, Greg.
Ooh. Well, she's up.
Yeah.
Thank you. Whoa. Well, it came down fairly flat. We can say that much about it.
Yeah.
The need for speed.
Throttle active.
Okay, mate.
Are we ready? Well, she's up. Thank you. Well, she looks pretty good in the air. When she's in the air, and as I say, the foam board. Whoop. Foam board is a lot more resilient than I thought it was going to be. It's good to have the telemetry there just to check that voltage. This is my first time flying it on my own. It's interesting, that's for sure. So it seems to turn well with the elevons, but the control of the height was definitely twitchy. I'm sure once I get comfortable with this thing, I'll be able to do some cunning stunts.
volts.
With just a few slabs of foam board slapped together, I don't think you can beat that. I think I'll quit while I'm ahead.
10.6 volts.
Now the wind seems to have changed direction once again. That it is just about coming from my left, so that's the way we'll have to come in from the right. If I don't stuff it up first.
10.5 volts.
10.5 volts, I've had enough fun. Let's see if I can get it in without embarrassing myself too much.
volts.
Well, I'm very happy with the performance of it. Okay, I stuffed it up a couple of times, but it has survived. The foam board has proven its durability, and I look forward to flying it much more in the future. Thanks for watching.